If you've ever needed to connect to a remote machine fast without digging through folders or creating a full entry, then Quick Connect is for you. Maybe you're troubleshooting, helping a colleague, or testing access on the fly. In this video, we'll show you how Quick Connect in Remote Desktop Manager gets you from need access to connected in seconds. The Quick Connect feature can be found up here at the top and is a way for people to perform ad hoc connections on the fly. So let's say you are in desperate need of a connection, but you don't have the entry and you don't really want to create a dedicated entry for this connection. You can simply add the host, which I've already pre-added the host here already. Whenever you add in a host, it will add it in automatically for you in this list. So simply add the host and then click enter, and it should connect you right away. There are a couple of settings that you can add to make the Quick Connect feature even better. So for example, in my case, I've added in a template. So right now I'm using the endpoint template. We already have some pre-established templates by default in here. So usually it'll be set to RDP. You'll notice the difference once I click enter on the host that I am being asked now for a password. So in my template, I already have the credentials added in beforehand. But if I then add in the credentials, it will connect. We also have a button here, this little play button, which allows you to choose how you would like to open the session. So we can either just open it by default, as it always does. We can open it external. We can open it embedded, undocked, open when it's available, open full screen in console or admin mode. We can select a parent folder's credentials. We can open using my personal credentials or my privileged account credentials. And we can open and ignore the specific settings that we might have. Next, we have a way of having the gateway being added in. So if we'd like to use Devolutions gateway, this is something we can do. Here in this case, I'm setting it at none since I don't have the gateway for this connection or installed in the as a module. So that's why for now it's set to none. And lastly, the button here makes it so that instead of selecting the enter key on your keyboard, you can simply click Quick Connect here, and it will open this session on its own with, again, it's asking for credentials. So if I click here, then it'll just open. So that's the Quick Connect feature. Keep in mind that, as I mentioned earlier, there are different templates, which means that right now, while I am using RDP throughout this video, there are ways of adding other session types, whether that's your SSH terminal, website, ARD, VNC, or more. If you'd like to know more about Quick Connect and all of the services that can be added in to Quick Connect, then I would suggest going to our documentation and our knowledge base articles.